are fake people, you know. So when me hear about a black from, you know, area. Alright. Your master groups. Cause some boys switch up on the link and I go and let them real. I know none of them heart in the clean. Said them I'm a friend for life but them we dead with the team. But I know them living in a dream right now. If the vex pick them up, them a squeal. I settle down for a deal. One motive I set the life of me I keep it real. Stand firm on the battlefield, your blood them no real from morning. From my face them the love to see me falling. Them no want to see my blessing keep rising. Two of them the love to see me under the balling. Yo them no real from morning. From my face them the love to see me falling. Them no want to see my blessing keep rising. Two of them the love to see me under the balling. See them come around with them big smile. And I say one more the full of style. I know them did happy woman now but dime. That's why them play a shit and tell them see the style. Dirty heart people and bad mind. Them no want see my little light shine. I know them a fight leave them time. Can't put my trust in a mankind. From morning, from my face in the love to see me falling. Yo, that's right. Truly nobody knows the pain and feel inside sometimes. Mommy no know the pain I'ma feel. Daddy no know the pain I'ma feel. Nobody no know the pain I'ma feel. Mommy no know the pain I'ma feel. Daddy no know the pain I'ma feel. Nobody no know the pain I'ma feel. One go somewhere for her heart cut up inside. Full of beer scars, trapping on my mind. Mentally me a war, put a lock on my chest and me a try protect me heart. Get her will leave, but that's just my fault. Fully paranoid, memories from the past. Set them up my back, but them can't fool the boss. That me need a life cat and me a drowning on my thoughts. Mommy no know the pain I'ma feel. Daddy no know the pain I'ma feel. Nobody no know the pain I'ma feel. Mommy no know the pain I'ma feel. Daddy no know the pain I'ma feel. Nobody no know the pain I'ma feel. Only for broken heart bad friendship. The pain I'ma feel it authentic. A nurse and a doctor can't heal. Not even $1 authentic. That with the pain you I'ma feel inside. Boy, it hurt and I can't describe. Sometimes I feel figure run and go hide and leave certain people aside. Mommy no know the pain I'ma feel. Daddy no know the pain I'ma feel. Nobody no know the pain I'ma feel. Mommy no know the pain I'ma feel. Daddy no know the pain I'ma feel. Nobody no know the pain I'ma feel. Mommy no know the pain I'ma feel. Daddy no know the pain I'ma feel. Nobody no know the pain I'ma feel.
Wanna say about 1MOTIVE? What does the judges say about 1MOTIVE?
Question, 1MOTIVE, you write your lyrics? Wow, amazing. You have my daughter behind me singing your chorus. That's amazing. You give me a young Asian Sasko vibe. Love the lyrics, love the energy. I think I need a little bit more confidence from you. But, oh wow, he's 15. But I love it. Trust me. Trust me, you can reach far in your life. Remember me telling you. It's a 9 for me.
Yeah, 1MOTIVE. If we're looking at a dictionary and we look for the word and inconsistency, I'm sure you're pretty well to see, right? From day one, you're consistent with the performance. You give you a good performance time after time. However, tonight though, you little bit, your confidence kind of little bit low tonight. I don't know why. Tonight is supposed to be a big night. Still, you get what I say? But the content in your music back up for that. You get what I say? You have everybody listening, so you didn't even have to engage with them. Everybody engage with you. You understand? So good performance. Another 9.
Yeah, blessed thing. Yeah, man, you don't know. You go on with the thing, you know. But one thing may I say, you see self-confidence when you perform more, you know, give that to your all. You see what I say? Nobody hold back nothing, because you're true. You see what I say? Overall, may I give you an 8. You see what I say? Yeah, man, thing.
Okay, and as the 4th judge have stepped out, let me give 1MOTIVE a 9, and I will tell you why. I have seen 1MOTIVE grow from week to week. I have seen his confidence level rise, alright? And I am totally impressed by this young man. So that's a 9 from me. 1MOTIVE, big up yourself.